Hello everyone, this is Amit Dot. In today's video, I'll talk about how to view full screen or full timelines view in DaVinci Resolve. So I have a clip here, and if you'd like to see the full screen of what you have here, that all you have to do, press Ctrl F, and or if you're using Mac, then press Command F. So Ctrl F, and you can see that you have the full screen. Now to get rid of the full screen, you can either click escape button, or you can just click right here, and that will get rid of the full screen. Now let's just do it again, Control F. Now full screen is very helpful if you need to kind of magnify something. For example, I can see the time here, sky deck schedule 4 to 7, 7 to 10. But if I go regular screen, then you see that you cannot, those are not visible. So full screen comes in handy for various scenarios. For the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.